The market is no longer worried about whether or not we're going to have a deal. Of course we're going to have a deal. Donald Trump's rating on the economy last week just hit its lowest level ever. Not his rating period, not his rating on immigration, not his rating on how he talks. His rating on the economy hit the lowest level ever. Of course there's a deal. Everybody knows there's a deal. If we didn't think there was a deal, the S&P would be at 15 times earnings, would be at 3,800 right now. So what we're really talking about is the damage done anyway? Does it no longer matter? Because this all started at record high earnings, record low unemployment. It's hard to picture us getting those two things back to where they were just in February. And I'm going to tell you right now, he doesn't have to get rid of Powell. He doesn't have, it's unnecessary. Kevin Warsh is the Fed chair in waiting. Everybody knows this. He was almost the Fed chair in 2017. Just so people understand, Kevin Warsh was on the Fed from 2006 to 2011. He's married to Jane Lauder. Jane Lauder is Ron Lauder's daughter of Estee Lauder. That's Donald Trump's best friend. What he wants in this role is a loyalist who will do exactly what he thinks needs to be done. And I actually think Trump is right. This economy is not a 4.5% Fed funds rate economy. It just isn't. And I think this business with the 10-year last week and capital flight and blah, 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 I think it's a huge head fake. I think rates need to be lower. I think financial conditions are too tight. And I worry, Scott, like you do, that the damage is already done. It's now 4 weeks of incredible uncertainty. It almost might not matter. They'll make a deal. The NASDAQ will rally 6%. Then what? Now you're still facing potentially a cyclical recession.